Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well. In this video we will show you how we built a base for our garden shed. For building a base we purchased 18 concrete slab, which is 40 centimeter into 40 centimeter, a few sandbags and MOT sub base. All the details will be provided in the description box. We are building a 6 by 4 shed, so we required 18 slab, which will be enough for us. Loading and unloading of these materials were a difficult task due to the weight, and was also very time consuming. As you can see, we are loading the slabs one by one because there's a chance they might break. So this all sandbags we purchased from B&Q, the MOT sub base, the sandbags and the concrete slab. Next we went to Wicks for some other materials. Here we are unloading, we are taking this to our backyard. So you need to select an area which is not very wet, not near to any tree roots, and also which doesn't block your garden in any way. We started by clearing the dried leaves after the winter. Started taking measurement of that area, exactly how much we wanted to build our shed. So here we have taken the measurement, and we are just tying a string to it so that we don't lose the focus where exactly we need to dig. So here the process has started. We made the land 6 inch deeper and then leveled it. This task of making this 6 inch deeper and leveling took us almost about 3 to 4 hours. It does look easy, but it's not that easy. So this is how we tried to level the land. And we removed the excess mud from there. So now we are bringing all those MOT base and sand near to the area where we want to build our shed. So first we started by putting this MOT sub base, which is kind of stony texture. we try to level this by tapping with the legs. It's easy. Next we brought the sand. This is sharp sand. Again, it's easy just to pour all the sand that you require and then start tapping with your legs. Once you have put the sand, you need to put some cement as well. You can also do by mixing sand and cement together and then adding them together. But we choose this way. It's more easy. I felt it's more easy for us. So keep adding sand until you feel that it's all leveled and it's raised properly. Now to the point that you can make sure that the concrete slab and the rest of the garden is almost like equal. So I'll put in the description box exactly how many bags of sand we used and all the other materials that we used as part of this uh, constructing the base. So you just have to repeat the process with the sand. Like I said, you need to bring to the level where you know that the concrete slab and the garden is of same level. Now this whole procedure of the sand and the cement and the gravel stone took about 1.5 hours. But they are at least easier than the previous task, which was make it you have to dig 6 inch deeper. Now we started laying the slab with proper distance, and also we leveled it. Now here is a tip. If you think you have not after you have laid all the slabs, you think that there is some distance or there is some problem with the level, you can still take them out and level them back again. So we did this quite a few times to make sure that all the slabs are properly in level and there is proper distance between them. So even though it looks like we did in one go, it was actually quite a few times we had to remove them and put them back again. So we forgot to take the final video where you have to make sure once you have done this, you have to put the sand between each slabs where you see the distance. But unfortunately we forgot to take the video of that part, which you can do the next day as well. You can keep this slab for 2-3 days just to make sure that they are all level properly. Now the whole process of building this took us about more than 6 hours, and we were really tired at the end of the day. So thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, please like, subscribe, comment and share, and we will be soon with our next video of garden shed part 2. Thank you.